So what's the next step of your master plan?
Crashing this market with no survivors.
Okay, what's up guys? So it's really early in the morning, like 6 in the morning. Now we're starting to get into that despair phase now. There's mining companies which have gone bankrupt, and this is now what we should be seeing in a bear market. When we were above $6,000, there was still too much optimism. The price had stabilized. Everyone was optimistic, and everyone was still looking at how high this can be at the end of the year. And now people are starting to wonder how low this can be at the end of the year. And that's the bear market mentality we need to see how far we are into the shit show. I'm not an expert, I don't know, I'm just sharing my thoughts with you guys. A lot of experts have been proven wrong. Fake riddlers and gurus, check out my article and previous video on those kind of people who are misleading others with information and then they are being proven totally wrong. That's dangerous, so always do your own research. People are now discussing whether Bitcoin is a good store of value, and there's no real answer yet because it still hasn't proven itself to be one. It has the fundamentals for one, hasn't proven it yet. If you bought at 18k last year, likely you're going to think it's not. If you bought at under $500, you're probably thinking it still is. So it depends which angle you're coming at with this. Many people are actually dollar cost averaging in over this turmoil, so then they're not exposed to just one dip. They kind of spread it out over the course of the bear market to minimize risk. I'm not saying to do that, do your own research, but this is what the smart people are seeming to be doing, and it's worth looking into at the very least, guys. Okay, I'm just making you guys aware of this in case you didn't know. The message in today's video is just think long term. So imagine this is the bottom. Okay, imagine we are near the bottom, hypothetically now, and by 2022 Bitcoin is potentially 100k. Would it really matter what price you get in today? These prices will seem like a bargain. Think of the potential good scenarios and the bad scenarios. There's a lot of FUD out there, there's a lot of hype, and in this particular, the stock market is the bigger problem, guys. The stock market is a way bigger problem than what people are letting on. That's where the bigger problem lies. Crypto isn't really a big problem in the grand scheme of things yet. It's the stock market that is a red flag.